I want to assure the people of KwaZulu-Natal that we do not have a medication shortage. It does happen from time to time that we run low on different kinds of medication, and if a situation like this, like that happens, we have protocols on what is it that needs to be done. For instance, if a clinic runs out of medication before their order arrives, they need to call their mother hospital, and the mother hospital must be able to provide that particular medication that has run out to the clinic while the clinic is waiting for their order. If a hospital itself runs out of a particular brand or a particular kind of medication, then the hospital calls the district office, which then looks at all the other hospitals within the area and be able to say, let's now start sharing the medication because Wentworth has run out of this. Then that's not to say Wentworth has run out of anything. I'm using them as an example. So, you know, if Wentworth runs out of painkillers, for instance, and they call the district office calls Eddington, Pixley, or any other a hospital to say, how much stock do you have? Give us 10% of your stock and we will take that stock, give it to Wentworth while Wentworth is waiting for their order to arrive. So when there is a problem of medication due to whatever reason, it is not because it doesn't mean that we run out altogether. Of course, we also have a depot, a provincial depot, which is where we keep our stockpile medication. And now, again, facilities, when they don't have, they're able to go there. In a rare case where the whole province doesn't have a particular medication, as a country, because we are one country, we are able to talk to each other as provinces to say, look, we've run out of this particular very important medication. Can you please give it to us? We will see you a few months or a few weeks down the line. That has happened. It's not the first time. I think around the end of last year, Limpopo ran out of some medication. As a province, we had more than enough of those and were able to actually give to that particular province. It's something that is done all the time. So I'm making a point here that even when we run out as a province, we are able to talk to other provinces to say, we've run out of this, can you give us, because we are a one government.